On the last video, down at MK Performance, I announced the DC2's B18 was coming out and it was time for more power in the form of a K24 swap. Because we all know, K's the way, right? The challenge I set MK Performance was to get the engine swap ready to go for one of the biggest events of the year, Gassed on Track Silverstone 24, to really put it through its paces and see what a 28-year-old high-revving naturally aspirated K24 DC2 could actually do. And with all things old school and Honda, the results were legendary. And you know what they say, right? The power of dreams.
Coming in hard,
to officially gas. Let's get it.
For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description.
Alright guys, so we are gassed on track. We have got my DC2 behind me with my main man here,
Yes.
Matt here from MK Performance. Now, at the time were we doing a K24 Frank? Did we tell him we were going to do that?
We just said it was a K24.
Okay, well, we're doing a Frank. You've pretty much been working flat out for the last few days to get it ready.
4 days I had to get ready for the track day.
Right, show us the engine bay and tell them about it, because this is cool as hell. So guys, take a look at that.
Yeah, I mean, it's a K24A. We got a K28 A2 head on it, stock cams from the A2. And that's it really. Just got a skunk to inlet manifold, induction kit, manifold, and an exhaust system, and 550cc injectors.
So what kind of power should we be expecting today? I know you've kind of rushed it today, so it's not exactly where you want it to be.
I'll probably say today is probably about 260. Yeah, I reckon once we spend a bit more time on it and sort out a few bits, I reckon, as it is, we'll be around 270-ish.
So from an NA engine, gains are hard to get, but I mean, with a high revving NA with the torque that we would have picked up from the 2.4, I think this is going to make for a really, really fun drive around the track. Now, what I'm a little bit hesitant about is the fact that now we've went K-Series gearbox with 6-speed, no LSD.
No LSD.
So that's going to be interesting to see how this goes around track. Now, guys, I have never driven this car with its new engine, so it's trial by fire. We're going to go out on track and we're going to work it out together. There's a lot of fast, crazy cars out there today, so hopefully I can keep pace, hopefully I don't bin it. One more thing, the exhaust.
Oh, about that.
So there was a last minute rush to get an exhaust done. We didn't really get an exhaust done.
Obviously, where the car was, I had 4 days to finish off. No one could book us on for an exhaust. So literally, it's the manifold, little silencer in the middle, and then a 90-degree turn down tip. It sounds good.
It sounds good. It sounds loud. Ear defenders are recommended. But anyway, bro, listen, thank you so much for doing this. Because honestly, like, he is the wizard when it comes to the Hondas. Get out MK Performance for that good sauce. We're going to jump straight in at the deep end and take my DC2 K24 Frank for a spin. Woo! So what I'll probably do, guys, is I'll probably get some heat into the tyres and I'll show you the eventful moments, because I know that no one really, really wants to watch me go around 100 times. I've got to get a feel for this car. It's literally my first drive. I don't know how the brakes are going to react. We changed the brake pads the last time I took this out at Donington. It was it was a big different setup. But this time round, let's see how it goes. We're catching them, boys. We're catching the GTR and the C63 on the straight. They love us. Limp mode. Oh, that was amazing. This car, guys. This car is something else. Obviously got a few niggles, but my God, this car punches above its weight, man. It's got decent pace on the straights, on the corners, even no LSD. It feels amazing. Shout out to MK Performance. Shout out to everyone who came to Gas on Track. This is unreal. Honestly, we've done some big boy cars there. We've done some big boy cars. That was epic. All right, my people, so we said it was trial by fire. MK's put a few safeties on the car, one of them being, if it overheats, limit the RPM there and the throttle. We've brought it in, and a clue as to why we've lost our throttle is the fact that here,
Chew the belt.
Should usually have a belt on it. So yeah, we've lost our belt, no cooling, it's overheated, I've lost my throttle. But I will say, bro, like the way this car is moving, even like this car, we come straight out, no Geo, no nothing, straight out, no LSD. Shout out to Zestinos, because these tyres, the mechanical grip we're getting from the tyres alone, at this power, at least, it's so usable. I'm barely spinning the wheels. You know, you modulate the throttle just a little bit coming off the corner, it's sick. But for now, that is it. You know, it's a work in progress. We're gonna come back, get it dialed in, throw a little bit more power at it and send it, so you'll catch it on another video. So yeah, for now, that's it. Let's enjoy the rest of Gas on Track. All right, guys, it is time to hit the grandstands because the F1 cars are live right now. This is going to be an experience that you should not see anywhere else. Right guys, so it is the end of the day here at Gaston Track, Silverstone 2024, and what an absolute crazy day. It has been action, action, action. It seems like the thousands and thousands of people that turned up today had an absolutely crazy time. F1 cars, drift cars, hypercars, every car you can imagine, track cars and good people. The vibe has been unreal. Massive shout out to MK Performance 2, trial by fire. This car is absolutely insane with that extra torque, that extra power, even without an LSD. Granted, I know we had some teething issues, but today for me in this car, absolutely mind blowing. The tires, they definitely got put to work. But man, we had a lot more grip than I thought we would without an LSD. Shout out to Zestino. Shout out to each and every person who attended this year, and of course, our main sponsors, our partners, and yeah, just everyone who is here. Gaston Track 2025 is gonna be different. So once again, a massive shout out to absolutely everyone, my subscribers, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace out.